Hey, Holly here from ReCar, and welcome back to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about keys. These days there's a handful of different keys around, so I'm going to show you the different varieties and a couple tips and tricks. Older vehicles tend to have a key, no buttons, very basic, what you would expect for a car key. Something a little bit newer, still your classic key, and has buttons right on there so that you can lock and unlock your vehicle. Next one up is our key fob that has the switchblade key. Over here, the newest kind of key is a key fob. Very much battery dependent. If you ever have the battery die, there's actually a way to still get into your vehicle with the valet key. The little button that is right in there, and I'm gonna see if I can get my nail in there, and you have your valet key. So this will be able to get you into your vehicle in case your battery is dead. So in this scenario, my battery is dead and I need to get into my car. All I need to do is once again, open that up so I can get my valet key here. However, as you can see, there is no spot to put that. But if we go right under here, there is a little latch where I can pop this off. Now I have a spot where I can put this key and get into my vehicle. Most of the time it will still set off the alarm, but you know it's you, and I'm in.